Welcome to the Moto Mech channel. Hope our earlier videos are informative and useful. If you have missed our previous videos, you can still view them by clicking on our channel name below this video. Remember to subscribe to stay updated on our daily editions of videos. In this video, let's know a bit about spark plugs. Ever wondered what those numbers on the spark plugs are? Today let's see how to read a spark plug number. Reading plugs really is a dying art. Unfortunately, being able to run a motor and then pulling the spark plugs to read any tuning issues is still considered the best and easiest method that absolutely anyone can learn. No matter what the motor is, you can tell a whole heap by the state of the firing tip of the spark plug after a run. Back to basics. First of all, let's go over the simple bits. What do the letters and numbers on the side of the plug mean? Each brand labels their plugs differently, but essentially the code refers to the size of the plug, the heat range, and if you're lucky, the gap at the firing tip. There are guides for reading each manufacturer's codes on their respective websites. It's a bit too much information to get into here. For now, let's just look at the highly popular NGK plugs. Let's look at a CR8EHIX9 plug and decode it. C means it's a 10 mm thread, with a 16 mm hex size. R indicates it has an internal resistor, to suppress ignition noise during sparking. 8 is the heat range number. The range goes from 2, hot, to 10, cold. EH designates the thread length. In this case, it is a 19 mm half-threaded. 12.7 mm IX is the code for an iridium IX tipped plug. -9 measures the spark gap, 0.9 mm set from the manufacturer. The spark plug codes can be found at the respective manufacturer websites. Read a few spark plugs to get used to the art. In our next video we will brief on how to read a spark plug and tune the engine accordingly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Moto Mech channel for more of regular motorcycle stuffs. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button below.